Now this little clip here, I backed up. This is the same clip with the night time, but I wanted to zoom in on the 798 so that you can see what I'm throwing my marker out on. It's small structure like that I found that hold the bigger fish, and putting time in to learn where that stuff is pays off. Here I'm going from a green and black, which is usually like magic on my lake, Lake Houston, but I'm going to a short and blue. Let's see what the results are. As you can see, I use several different techniques with working my jig. I have a lot of guys that ask me all the time, well, how do you work your jig? And there's no answer to that, because you see me popping the jig, you see me lowering the jig, you see me raising the jig, you see me swimming the jig. All of that stuff goes into putting fish in the boat. And once you find something that works on 2 or 3 fish, you may have found a pattern, but that's something that changes by the minute, by the second. So it could be just each fish may want something totally different, but add that to your bag of tricks, it will put fish in your boat, I guarantee it. Got that big old thing in there. Old Thump City puts them in the boat. Lovely, 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 lovely. Swing that thing in there, boy. I don't believe y'all understand how fun. Do I have y'all's attention? Water temp down here at 65. However, there was a little cold snap that blew in. There's a little cold snap that blew in, and got the air temp at 53 with a stiff north wind. So it's pretty chilly out. I know there's probably nothing for you guys up there dealing with all that snow and stuff, but for the guys down south that's acclimated to this 103, 105 degree weather, it's pretty chilly, especially with the wind chill. Noisy cooler. Starting out in 8 foot of water. Seven to 8 foot of water. A very important step to getting on fish on structure is locating what side, how deep, what action are they gonna want? What do you have to do to get that jig in that crappie's face with the right action, right color, to make that fish want to hit it? As y'all can see, pretty daggone windy and gusting. Been knocking fire from that big old 1/4 ounce jig. Another just beautiful fish. I think these are males. Just knocking fire from it. Definitely gonna be limited on where I can fish today, but I got some hiding spots. Get out of this daggone wind. So I'm over 10 foot now. I'm just working into 8, out to 10. This wind don't settle down a little bit, I'm gonna have to move. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. And swing that big old thing in the boat. That Thump City ain't no joke, y'all. If you don't know, you better get to know. If you don't know, you better get to know. Bam! Ooh! Let me hold this thing so y'all can really see it. Ooh, man. That is super nice. Y'all just don't. I wish I could put Thump-O-Vision. I wish I had Thump-O-Vision so y'all could really see what these fish knocking fire from that old jig. I'm here to tell you, they thumping fire from it. This wind would die down. I could probably do a limit right here pretty quick. That wind is killing me. Well, well, well. That's a 1/4 ounce jig. Look at how for this little bitty fish. That fish got that quarter, I mean all the way down his throat. He seriously don't know how big he is. Look at this. Let's go get that big old quarter. Crazy. Yeah, I think the little ones moved in over here. That was another. Hey guys, I really appreciate you watching. Hey, but I need you to do something before you leave. There's a subscribe button right down below this video. I need you to hit that. And a thumbs up would be much appreciated from me also. I do thank you for watching. I thank you for your time. I thank you for commenting. If you subscribe, I really appreciate it. Have a great day. May you have a full box of nice, fat, thick crappie on your next catching adventure. Enjoy. Peace. I'm outie. Slabs, y'all. Slabs.